Hey everyone, emmy-lou here. Today I'm going to draw you a chicken. I'm going to draw it for Vivian and Adrian and anyone that wants to do a chicken. They've got this beautiful chicken. It's just so cool. Sorry, my window's open. people shouting. So we're going to do a chicken. All you need to do, pencil. I sold a chicken, so I haven't got a picture to show you. I need some paper. So what you want to do is think about circle. That's a bit of a strange circle, but it's okay. And then what we want to do is you want to just touch where the circle is, go down a little bit, and just... So you're doing a beak. We're going to do the head of the chicken, because if we do the whole chicken, it's nice, but I like to show you the face. Then we're going to go... So think about goes out. Then what I want you to do is make this rounder. Round like that. And you do this. Then you're going to go in, and then a little nose. Got a little nostril there. And then what you want to do is just do a touch about there. And you're going to go. Then you know chickens have these like, they're kind of like the little wobbly bits. They're a little bit like turkeys. So you're going to draw those little wobbly bits. I don't know what their actual names are, but we're going to draw them. But before we do that, we want to do a line like that, just there. And you're going to create the zigzaggy bits because it's the wobbly bit of their head. You know, they've got the roost, almost like a roostery bit. And then what I want you to do is touch this bit here, and you're going to kind of just cut that little bit off because a chicken's head isn't round really. It's more of a different shape. So we're going to rub this bit out. Do you know what? While you have the rubber, we've got to rub this bit out as well. Okay. You see it? It's cool, doesn't it? Makes me think of chicken. Chicken. Which is just as well because we're drawing a chicken. So let's go. So now we're going to do, I'm just copying the picture now. Going to go round and like that, and then join this bit up. Then you're going to just go round again. You're going to do that because it's from the other side of the face. So we want to get a rubber, and we're going to, I'm trying to copy the one that's called, oh, I can't remember the name of it now. Is it Violet? I can't remember the name. But he's a really cool chicken. Now I want to do a really cool eye. So we're going to just go line like that. I quite like doing your own eye. I'm going to try and copy what the eye actually looks like. Can you see there's like a lot? There's 1, 2, 3, and then a bobbly bit inside that's white. Because it will look really cool. Oh, he's a cool chicken. Right, now I want to do the head. Like the whole head. I'm just going to get the picture up so I can see. Okay. He's going to go down like that. Then you're going to go. Oh, he looks kind of cool. I like him. So now we want to rub out, I would say, probably about there. Rub all this out. Don't need this anymore. Goodbye, my little chicken. I should close my window really. I don't know if you can hear noise. Hopefully you can't. Might close if it gets a bit noisy for you. Because either that or my computer gets too hot. So we've got the line and we're going to go up. Just up a little bit with your line. And he's got this kind of cute little, kind of a line there. I'll draw it with the black. So it's kind of like that. So it's just a little line. Don't worry too much. It doesn't really matter. And then we've got feathers. So I like to just like that, just a couple. It doesn't really matter. Just to show that he's feathery. You could overlap them as well, like as you get over the head. Because he's all feathery. He's all feathery, isn't he? I think I've ruined my pen now. Man. Right. Now, the end, it's quite cool to do a little bit there. So that's my chicken's head. So I've kind of done the chicken's head, it's all good. But the thing is, I'm going to join a little bit there and you're going to go around. So we want to kind of make the beak, give the beak a shape. Now I'd say the chicken's probably a lot bigger, but because he's sort of standing up like that, he's going to be a lot kind of longer and slender. So trying to think of the name. I'm sure Vivian and Adrian are shouting the name at me now of the chicken. It's such a gorgeous looking chicken. I almost have to get the name. I think I'm going to get it. And whilst I get the name, I need you to, if you can find, you need a red, so it could be a watercolour. Should we do it in watercolour today? Do you know what? I might do it in watercolour. So we need a purple, a red, and a blue. Purple, red and blue. So you want a light, you want a dark purple, a light red and a light blue. So let's find it. Light blue, and whilst you're finding that, I am going to look for the name of that chicken. Sure I can find it. Right, let's have a look. Ugh, it's when you really need to find something, you can't. But never mind. Ooh, there it is. Emerald! Emerald! Okay, so we've got it now, we're fine. So we want a blue, a purple. I've got such a messy desk, it's everywhere. So I've got this purpley pink, this blue. Do you know what, I wouldn't mind having a red, so I'm going to get a red as well. What else do you need, we think? I'm going to get a green. Okay, so I've got a green, a red, a pink-ish, and a blue. I'm going to close, shall I close the window? I'm sure it's fine, isn't it? Okay, we're going to do red first. So here is all red. Hello, chicken. So don't do the whole thing, there's no need. I'd probably just do all of that actually, all of the second one. Now, it's kind of pink as well, so I'm going to do a little bit of pink. And then what else is? A little bit of there's pink. So I'm going to do all the way up here. Then I'm going to change it to a red. Oh, I love using these colours, they're so cool. If you don't have these colours, just use paint, it's fine. Now, once we've done that, it's got a little bit of red. I'm looking at the eye in case you're wondering where I'm staring. It's got a bit of red there. It's got a little bit of red there as well. Blue. Now, it's kind of a really bluey green, almost dark. So we're gonna go round really chunky. I'm gonna have to use a pencil sharpener, I think, for this because I'm gonna need it. I would probably get a black in a minute if you've got one. So blue, blue, blue. You want to go blue around the eye. Can you see how messy I'm doing it? It's okay. As long as you fill it in with the water. Got to sharpen loads with this. So I'm really chunky monkey. Try and do each feathery bit if you can. It's quite a lot to do and my hand is aching. But it's okay. Whew. Right, okay, so we've done that. I'd like to do a bit of blue there. A bit of blue there. Now I'm going to get a little bit of green, just because I don't think it's got green on it, but I quite like the idea. Because when you put the water, it'll all smudge in and look really cool. Well, like turquoisey. A bit of pink around. He's got pink as well around the eye. Bit of pink there. He's actually got a little bit of blue there as well. So pause the video if this is too quick, because I am going rather super fast. Do a bit of blue there. I don't know why I'm going fast. I think I'm getting carried away. I'm getting excited. Now orange. Yeah, it's kind of orange in there. He's kind of yellowy orange if I'm honest. That's okay. Just a bit of red there. I think someone's laughing outside. Hopefully not on my chicken. Okay. Ooh, he looks kind of cool. Now I would actually start getting, kind of want a dark black. I don't have a black. Hopefully you've got a black. Ooh, I do have a black. Do you know what? I've got a dark purple as well. If you don't have it, some of you might not have a dark purple. Some of you might not even have a black. But I'm going to just do a little bit of purple here and there. Because when we put the water, it's going to look so cool. I might cry out of happiness. Hopefully I won't cry because, well, if I cry out of happiness, it's okay, isn't it? Right, black. Very, very dark it is, you know, under there. Super dark. And it's dark around the eyes. Looks a bit angry now, doesn't he? And it's dark here. It's kind of darkening the nose. Now, he's got this really awesome yellowy eye. Yeah, it's kind of here. It's like an orangey yellow. So I'm going to do it yellow, but let's change it to orange because orange actually looks better. It's really fun. I don't know if you can tell the way I work when I do my art, especially when I'm doing it for someone for money. I always sort of have a practice and have a bit of a play, and then if I'm not sure, then I'll start again or work into it. So it's quite nice to just have fun with it. Try not to panic too much because you don't want to get too upset. One day I was working on something and it just didn't come out how I wanted it to, and I literally cried. And I'm 40, so I was, yeah, really upset. But there's no need to get too upset. It's a bit of a shame if you get upset. So that's all the colours I want on my one. Now you can add whatever you like, but I've left quite a bit of it white because what I want to do is get my water and my brush, and I'm going to do this. I'm going to do the light colours first. I quite like the fact they come together, but it's not all the same colour. Can you see how you've got a little bit of pink in there? Just looks more realistic. I'm going over the reds and the yellows first. Going to go around that eye. Whoa. Then I am going to go around. Look at how cool the colours look when you blend them together. Oh, honestly, it makes me so happy to see this. Love it. I love it when it does that. It's such a cool thing. What you could do is just put loads of water if you like and let it drip. That's pretty much what I'm known for with my paintings when people buy them, that I do drip paintings, so things drip. It's quite a nice way of doing stuff. So if it looks messy, do not worry. It might look actually quite funky, quite cool. Whoa. So in reality, this chicken, I'm sure Vivian and Adrian would agree that it's not necessarily the same look as their chicken, but it still looks awesome. I love the way it drips. It looks really cool. I would have this chicken if I could in my house. Don't think people would like it because it's quite noisy, wouldn't it? So I'm going over everything with water. So you've done all the hard work. The hard work was the drawing and the colouring. And when you put the water in, that's just the fun bit that's really easy. So now I've done that, I am really happy with this chicken. So what I'm going to do, kind of want to just, I'm going to get, I don't know why, but I'm feeling yellow is going to be a nice colour. So I'm going to get some yellow paint. And I just want to go around, just kind of like this. I did it for something, I can't remember which one, but I just did yellow around it and it just made things look really cool. So you could do this on a coloured piece of, maybe like a yellow piece of card or something. It might not come out the colours that you want, but look at that. I think yellow makes things stand out really nicely. Oh, when I finish with these pictures, I don't really know what to do with them because I've got tons of these. So if anyone wants them, let me know. If you live locally, I can drop them around. Because I think you'd probably quite like them, wouldn't you? That's such a cool one. Now, I'm thinking of green because I can't stop. So I've got a bit of a green there. I'm going to kind of go round with green. Can you see my brush makes brush strokes, like brush marks? It is kind of cool. So I'm going to do a bit of green going round. Bit of green. Do a little bit of green there. I don't know about you, but when I start, I can't seem to stop. I just think, oh, I'll do a bit more and a bit more. So there's, I'll stop now, because otherwise you're not going to have time to do all your other ones. But I'm going to get some white paint and do a little bobbly bit of white paint where the eye is. And I'd probably just make, with my, you don't have to do it with your finger. It's probably best not to do it with your finger. But you want to just maybe outline, where is it? I'd put some white bits here and there, just because it shows that it's light and it looks really cool, especially with the feathers, because some of the feathers bring out the light. You just had a baby cry there. Definitely still people out my window. So there we go. So forget that bit, because you won't have that bit. You could put a collar on him, a nice little collar, if you wanted him to. If he wanted you to. Probably wouldn't want you to. So, there's my chicken. Really like him. And yeah, let me know what you do, you two. Let me know how you get on. And everyone, have a lovely weekend. And I will see you, if it is the weekend that you're watching this, I will see you on Monday. Mwah! Lots of love. Share, like, and subscribe.